Weber Packaging Solutions drives the world of labeling, coding, and marking innovation forward. We've earned the trust of the world's most respected manufacturers and consumer brands. Today, we move into the future as One Weber, a unified global brand powered by the strength of people, purpose, and progress. As part of this global alliance, we share knowledge, technology, and expertise from every corner of our organization to deliver smarter, faster, and better solutions. Our brand and experience reach far and wide. Over 50,000 customers served. Billions of labels printed. All across 16 global locations. Harness the power of a collective worldwide network focused on making your brand and your business stronger. Whatever your world looks like, we make sure it's clearly defined, labeled, and understood. We are Weber Packaging Solutions. We identify your world.